For high-security gates that see constant use, a robust, fully mechanical lock is often the best solution. On this project, we are upgrading a perimeter security gate with a high-performance Simplex Mechanical Keypad Lock. Our process begins with a thorough assessment of the gate's steel structure to prepare the exact location for the new hardware. The Simplex system requires a custom, permanent integration into the steel. This is where our fabrication expertise comes into play. We cut, fit, and meticulously weld a specialized metal housing plate directly into the gate frame. This heavy-duty welding is essential. It guarantees the lock housing is completely tamper-proof and capable of withstanding years of high-volume operation without failing. Next, we move to the stationary post to prepare the receiving end. We carefully measure and weld the strike plate receiver, often called the edge bore, into the steel post itself. Perfect alignment between the lock on the gate and the receiver on the post is paramount for a smooth, secure latch every time. We then paint the area for a seamless, protected finish. With the custom welding complete, the final assembly can begin. The Simplex lock is known for its mechanical reliability. It requires no power, batteries, or complex wiring. Our technician installs the lock body, sets the custom access code, and ensures the mechanism engages smoothly and reliably. From custom fabrication to final testing, this installation delivers the highest level of security and convenience, providing our client with a robust, code-based access control solution that is built to last. Are you looking for expert Simplex gate installer in Maryland and Washington, D.C.? Call us now.